Have you ever dreamed of transforming an outdated house into your forever home? One that feels like a resort, functions like a retreat, and was designed entirely around your lifestyle. This is a story of how we took a 1970s house on a hill in Great Falls, Virginia, and turned it into a stunning, modern, custom home, rebuilt from the inside out. Today I want to share with you the story of a full-scale home transformation, one that began with location, vision, and a solid foundation, and ended in a modern home that our clients now call their forever retreat. Hi, I'm Tony Alonso, co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. Here we design and build custom homes that make you feel like you're on vacation all year round. Sometimes that means building from the ground up, but other times it starts with an existing structure that just needs the right vision, and that's exactly what happened with this modern home renovation. Number one, location. Our clients had been considering a custom home with us when they came across a property in Great Falls, Virginia that had tons of potential. A 5-acre lot in a private cul-de-sac in a private community, perched on top of a hill, overlooking protected land and bathed in natural sunlight. It checked every box for privacy, serenity, and breathtaking views. Even better, it had what we called good bones. The brick structure was sound. It had 12-foot ceilings on the main level and 9-foot ceilings on the upper level. From a location and layout perspective, it had enormous potential. 2. The problem with patchwork renovation. Once we stepped inside, we knew this house needed more than just a refresh. Built in the 1970s, it had gone through decades of do-it-yourself changes and piecemeal additions. Many of them weren't up to code, and most lacked any cohesive vision. The result was a maze of chopped-up spaces and outdated systems. To make it truly livable, functional, and beautiful, we needed to strip it down to the studs and start over. 3. A complete rebuild from the inside out. We gutted the entire home. We removed the drywall, subfloors, mechanical systems, plumbing, and electrical. Walls came down, windows and doors were reimagined, resized, and relocated. We even reinforced the structure to ensure it met today's building codes. From there, we completely redesigned the floor plan to match our clients' long-term goals, especially their desire for aging in place. 4. Main level, designed for daily life. The main level of this home was transformed into a luxurious and practical sanctuary. We eliminated all split-level flooring to create a seamless layout, ideal for both comfort and accessibility. We added a primary suite on the main floor, a spacious great room, a kitchen designed for gathering, a study, and even a game room fit with a pool table. Tile flooring was used throughout the main level, not just for aesthetics, but also for durability and dog friendliness. To support this, we also had to reinforce the subfloor to carry the weight. 5. Upper level functional luxury for family. Upstairs, the original layout had 12 small compartmentalized rooms. We cleared the entire level and we reimagined it as a series of generous, intentional spaces. We created 4 full bedroom suites, each with its own bathroom and walk-in closet. We also included a home gym and a full sauna. The result? A private upper-level retreat that offers every modern comfort our clients wanted. 6. Light, space, and simplicity. Light and space were core design priorities. We removed unnecessary walls, we expanded every window, we added new headers, wider door openings, and even open pass-throughs to enhance the flow. All of the old moldings and trim details were removed, replaced with clean lines and minimalist finishes. The new design feels modern, airy, and timeless. 7. Outdoor living that matches the indoors. This modern transformation didn't stop at the back door. We extended the design into the landscape, creating 2,500 square feet of outdoor living space. This includes a large patio for entertaining, a full outdoor kitchen and fire pit, and a luxurious swimming pool. Altogether, it's a private oasis that makes you feel like you've stepped into a vacation resort. This project is proof that when you find the right property, you don't always need to rebuild from scratch. With the right team, a creative vision, and a commitment to quality, you can transform a house into a legacy home. And for these homeowners, this transformation made them say, "Pinch me, I can't believe this is my house." If you're dreaming of a forever home that makes you feel like you're on vacation every day, whether it's a modern renovation or a new custom home, contact us to schedule a discovery call. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more home tours, design tips, and inspiration. See you in the next one. I'll try that one.